everyone, what's up? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to today's video. And how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing baking soda and coconut oil plus some other ingredients that makes you look young and remove all of those pigments, get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also get rid of pigmentations and age spots. Okay, so let me take you right into the video. Don't forget thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. Let me show you how to use baking soda and coconut oil for an effective and a smoother soft baby skin. Okay, so you use baking soda, which is this, and coconut oil, which is this, and there are other ingredients, guys. Okay, there are other ingredients that would complement this ingredients for a more smoother and a more softer skin. Yeah, so the first ingredient is the baking soda. So if you're having any problems or any worry that your skin is not soft, this is going to give you all of the solution you need. Yeah, so you're going to take 2 tablespoons of baking soda into a bowl, and make sure it's baking soda and not baking powder. Okay, baking soda is actually the one that is going to help you to give you that smoother and softer baby skin. And then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is potato. Okay, now potato is a great remedy. It contains vitamin E, vitamin C, which helps to increase the elasticity on the skin, which also helps to brighten up your skin. Yeah, so how you're going to do that is that you're going to peel this all out. Okay, now make sure to use an Irish potato, not sweet potato, because there are 2 different types of potato. Okay, for some people that does not know, so use Irish potato. How you're going to do that is that you're going to cut them in pieces. And then you're gonna blend, or you can create it if you don't want to blend. So here is the potato, and we are gonna be scooping in a good amount of it. Yeah, so you put in a good amount of the potato juice or the potato mix. You can either just blend everything, or you can blend it and sieve it however you want it, but your potato has to be Irish potato. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is carrot oil. Okay, now carrot oil is a natural oil that helps to penetrate into your skin, leaving your skin looking really soft and healthy. And it's also a great remedy for wrinkles and fine lines. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be taking in just about half teaspoon of the carrot oil, because we need this a whole lot. Okay, so we stir it all up together again. And then we'll be needing coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil is a great remedy that repairs the skin, make the skin really soft, make the skin really young, and it's also great for hair. Okay, so in this particular one, we're also going to be taking 1 teaspoon of it. We'll put it in, and then we'll stir it all up together, and there we have it. Okay, and also we'll be needing to use carrot itself, okay, because this has all of the ingredients like vitamin E, which actually helps to increase the elasticity on the skin, okay, making your skin really soft and tender. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be scraping it out. And then we will now have to cut it. So now we'll have to be taking the carrot. Now because carrot does not have plenty of juice, so we're going to be putting in water, and then we're now going to blend it. And this is it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be scooping this into this bowl of great ingredients, and then we'll stir. We'll now stir it really well for all of the ingredients to mix together. And this is it, guys. For this ingredients, you can use it 3 times a week to get that baby soft skin. Okay, you are gonna be looking really pretty with this. So the very first time I started making videos on YouTube, this is one of the ingredients that I use on my skin as at that time, and it softened my skin so well. So what I'm actually using water to just dab my face. This is how I did it that time. I used water and I dab my face with it, dab my whole face. Now the essence of using water to dab your face, you can as well just wash your face off. Now the essence of using water to wash your face is so that it could let your skin get really soft, okay, so that when you apply this treatment, it's gonna work really well and it's gonna soften your skin. So let me try that again and tell you guys how my skin is soft, because I am so excited anytime I want to do this. I've actually not used this particular treatment for so freaking long time. Yeah, so that's why I said, okay, let me use it again, because all of these home remedies, you just have to repeat using them, okay, to get that utmost result. Yeah, so what you do is that you scrub, rub, apply this onto your skin generously. Okay guys, so after rubbing that, then you can scrub it out. If you get into your mouth, well, it's not bad, but do not swallow, or it's gonna taste a little salty and stuff. Okay, then you would have to be rubbing it through just like this. Okay, that's how I did it, and trust me that it's already getting to soften my skin really well. So after you do that, then you can apply it again. Now the second coating is just so that when you leave it on for at least 2 or 3 minutes or even 1 minute, it's gonna get into your skin and actually help so much in softening it. Yeah, do not allow it get into your eyes just like it's doing right now on my eyes. Okay. Alright, so after that is done, then you'd have to be using your 2 hands and scrub. Give it a nice scrub. When you're using this, you give it a nice scrub, a very nice scrub. Okay, all right, so I'm actually developing some heat, like kind of heat rashes and stuff because of the heat right now. All right, but I'm gonna be scrubbing it all out because it's gonna kill all of those rashes and stuff. Okay, so after you scrub, then you can use warm water to wash it out because of all of the oil. Okay, but it is also okay when the oil sits on your skin. It's very perfect. And then you use a toilet soap. Do not use all of this chemical cream you buy in the market. Just use something very simple and something not too expensive. When you use all of these home remedies, your skin will sparkle, trust me. Okay guys, so that's it. Go give this a try and your skin, your face is going to be looking soft and smooth, and it's gonna be looking really glowing. All right, so that's it guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.